Come with me to install what might be the best holiday hair I have ever had. Oh my goodness, I was absolutely in love with this unit. So I grabbed this from Yolissa Hair, and it's a HD, as you can see, very, very HD. Literally, as I'm putting it on my hand, it is literally transparent. Like, where is the lace? But anyway, just to get into this hair, it was a water wave 24-inch wig, and oh my goodness, it did not disappoint. So we didn't even have to bleach the knots, and honestly I was so impressed because there's been other times where I've tried to not do that, and oh my gosh, you can literally see it looks crazy. But this, I didn't have to do it, and it still turned out so nice. Really loved the length and density on this wig as well, and the hair was so soft. So annoyingly, my camera actually deleted the step-by-step process of us actually putting the glue on. You can still see what we've done here. So we've put a bit of glue on, and we haven't fully melted it just yet. Really love this technique because the hair really melted, and boy did it last. The trick is to get the glue tacky and then to use a comb to really melt the glue in. I feel like this really allows you to take your time with it and just to melt it properly. Once we were happy that it was glued, we went in with the melt bands to just lay the lace. I don't know about you, but I don't mind if that wig band is a little bit tight, just as long as the results make sense. For today's hairstyle, I was going for a middle part look, and just to spice it up, just a few braids on the sides. Especially because I was going somewhere hot and tropical, I really wanted a cute look for this holiday. Imagine the wig is not even finished yet, but it is just looking so good already. I feel like this hair would look good as a middle, but also as a side. Moving on to the baby hairs. As you could see previously, we left out 2 strands where we wanted them to be. This helps you to pre-visualize what it will look like and makes it so much easier when it comes to cutting the baby hair. It depends what your preference is. You can use mousse or gel. We used gel for these baby hairs, and also used a mini straightener just to give it that effect. Once we were happy with how the baby hairs looked, we just went in with a hairdryer. I'm not gonna lie, I went in for some time just so that it could really set. Preparation is key. So I had a specific hairstyle I wanted in mind. As you can see, we've already started to brush up the hair in that desired style and leaving a bit of a gap for the plaits. So I really wasn't joking when I said we took our time with the blow dryer, and that's the thing with these hairstyles. You really want to take your time, you want to be patient so that you can achieve your desired look. What I love about this hair is that because the lace was so good, there wasn't much work that really needed to be done. This was actually such a simple job because the lace was just chef's kiss. Like, one thing about Yolissa, they don't play. When they say HD lace, they mean HD lace. You are not going to get some, catfish transparent lace pretending to be HD. It's actually what it says on the box. So once all of that was done, well, I say done, still blow drying, we started to hairspray the part that we wanted to section so that it could lay really flat, really slick and clean as well. And while that was on my hair, I was also still blow drying it, and then we started to comb it into the desired style and sectioning it so that it could look really cute, really sleek. My excitement was just growing and growing because the hair was just looking cuter and cuter by each step. And again, I mentioned that taking your time, being patient is really key to when you're doing these hairstyles. So again, we combed it. Just keep combing until you're absolutely happy, and that you're absolutely happy that the hair is flat and exactly how you want it. Once we were happy with that, we sectioned it both sides and then pulled it backwards. You can see it's very, very sleek, very clean, very flat. Exactly how I wanted it to look. And I'm not gonna lie, I had an inspo pic, but I low-key feel like mine ate more than the inspo pic. And then once we were happy with that, we went in with more hairspray. So this is the finished look. My goodness, I love it so much. It is exactly what I wanted, but even better than what I thought it was gonna be. So just a slick back middle parting with a cheeky little plait on the sides. It wasn't doing too much, but it was very, very, I don't want to say it, but you know what I'm thinking. But it did the job. It just added that extra little twist, that extra element to my hair. I loved it so, so much. I'm going to show you what it looks like close. Well, I'm showing you close up, but far away as well. So you can see the full style. And then as well, what it looked like on holiday. I'm not going to lie, like this literally did so good on holiday. Because of the hair texture, it's just perfect. Because when you get into the water, it means that it's good because your hair is curly. It's just going to look even cuter when it's wet. So I really, really love that. So yeah, you can see the braid properly here. And this was me on holiday. The hair was so, so perfect for this holiday, honestly. Like, I just love the quality of this hair. Like, I will definitely be getting more wigs from Yolissa because it just, yeah, look at it. It's just too cute. The length was perfect. It was just perfect. How many times did I say perfect? Because, yeah. This wig is so versatile. I was able to switch it up and just have it with a middle and take out the plait as well. And I was able to put it up into a bun as well. So definitely recommend.